Welcome to Century Classroom. High-pressure laminates are much in demand these days. Why not? After all, they help you design mesmerizing interiors. But when it comes to choosing between high-pressure laminates and antiviral high-pressure laminates, which one is better? Let's see what the differences between the two are. Regular high-pressure laminates are manufactured in a traditional way. Apart from being resistant to bacteria, borer and termites, they don't have any special property. While antiviral high-pressure laminates from Century Laminates are manufactured with the latest patented ViroKill technology. Century Laminates with ViroKill technology can kill 99.99% viruses, bacteria, fungus and microbes on its surface. Worry not, these antiviral properties are embedded in the polymer matrix system of the surface and are non-leaching, non-hazardous and also long-lasting. Plus, high-pressure laminates are highly resistant to scuff, water, stain and also malodor. These laminates are easy to maintain and cost-effective too. So now you know why choosing Century Laminates high-pressure laminates made with ViroKill technology is always the smart and better choice. Thank you for watching Century Classroom.